Assalamualaikum and good morning. Welcome to your end of year activity. So you're going to improve your typing speed with this website. You may start with the left one. Do not touch the typing competition. Okay, so I just want you to concentrate with the left green button here. Start typing test, and then it will bring you to this page. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now for this test it will only give you 1 minute, so this test activity only give you 1 minute. You need to follow the first box on the top here and then type on the second box here, so make sure you type it right. Okay, when you see the green words, meaning to say that you type it correctly. But if we give you a red words here, meaning to say that you have mistakenly typed letter or something there, so you need to correct it. And the time is running, so you need to finish it before 1 minute. So when the time is end for 1 minute, it will give you your result here. So WPM meaning to say that is words per minute, and this is the accuracy that you get from your typing speed. Whilst you have 31 correct words here and you have none of the wrong words that you type. So this is your end of year activity. I hope you enjoy this activity. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can always find me through WhatsApp.